We don't just train, we transform. Here's the truth. Training without mindset shifts is just noise. You can attend all the workshops. You can download all the templates. You can take notes until your notebook is full. But if your mindset doesn't shift, nothing actually changes. At Kamamoja, we do it differently. We mix learning with coaching. We mix digital tools with real-life storytelling. When you shift how people think, how they lead, how they make decisions, everything in their business follows. Because growth isn't about information, it's about transformation. Transformation starts within. Let's build leaders, not just learners. Send this reel to your ESD team if you believe in real, measurable impact.